Packing your suitcase, what to bring. Today, we're going to learn how to pack a suitcase for your next trip. Let's get started. First, pack your clothes. Think about the weather. Is it hot or cold? For warm places, bring a t-shirt, shorts, a jacket. For cold places, pack jumpers, trousers, a coat. Don't forget your shoes and socks. Next, pack your toiletries. What do you need? A toothbrush and toothpaste, soap, and a hairbrush. Don't forget sun cream for sunny days. Now, pack your important items. You will need your passport and boarding pass, a wallet with money, and a credit card, your mobile phone, and charger. Let's pack for fun. Do you want to take photos? Bring a camera. Do you like to read? Pack a book or a magazine. Now you're ready to travel. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.